Hello everyone! Today's video is about how to make a headband. Ayan. Heart-shaped headband. Ang cute naman ito, diba? Ayan! White and then red and then 2.5 mm crochet hook po yung gagamitin natin. So, start na po tayo. Slip na po tayo dito. And then, ayan. Slip na po tayo. And then, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then yarn over, and then on the first chain, dyan pa tayo, and then 2 double crochet together. Yan. So let's see, just only 2 loops, and then pull through the loops, and then chain 1, 2, and then yarn over, and then on the same stitch we need to make 3 double crochet together. 2 yarn over, 2 loops, use only on the 2 loops, and then yarn over again, and then on the same stitch and then pull all through the loops. Ayan. And then chain 1, and then turn po natin to the left side. Diyan po tayo pupunta sa my space. So ayan, slip stitch po tayo dito sa space yun siya, guys. And then chain again, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 double crochet together. Only 2 loops, and then 1 more, and then pull on through the loops, and then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet together. Ayan. 1, 2, and then 1 more. So we need to repeat that, guys. Yan lang po yung ating stitch na gagawin. And then chain 1, and then turn to the left side again, and then on the space need to slip stitch, and again. O, diba? Diyan lang siya, ka-easy. So gawin natin yan ng mahaba para depende sa inyo kung gaano kahaba yung gagawin yung headband. Ayan. So we need to repeat the pattern lang siya. And then 1, 2, chain, and then again on the same space we need to do 3 double crochet together. Ayan, 2, and then 1 more. Ayan, only use the 2 loops, and then pull all through the loops, and then chain 1, and need to repeat it again. So easy lang siya. Slip stitch again. So ganito na siya kahaba yung aking nagawa, guys. So let's see again. 3, and again yarn over, and then pull on 2 loops, and then all through the loops, and chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet stitch together. Yan. So ang ganda lang siya. Para siyang magiging heart shape. Ayan. That shape 1. So ganyan na siya, guys, kahaba. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Ang ganda na siya tingnan. And syempre, dadagdagan natin ng color white para mas bongga siya. So ayan. Connect na natin dito yung color white natin. And then single stitch. And then chain po tayo ng 5. Ayan. Adjust pa muna natin. 1. Oops. Wala yung doon banda. So, nag-chain 5 po ako, guys. Ayan, check nyo na lang. Dito, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then dyan po sa gilid, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito sa gilid, maxi-slip stitch po tayo dito. So, ayan. So, gagawin natin yan, paikot po. Ayan. So, every dyan sa space, sa gilid, lalagyan po natin ng chain. Ayan. Tapos yung ating foundation. Ayan, ang ganda. So, again, chain 5 lang. 3, 4, 5, and then slip stitch po dito sa gilid.